Convex Seri Q1000 and Q900 for multi-screen function. Okay, now is connect HDMI, built in a HDMI video output, connect to the roof monitor HDMI display. Okay, video playing. So multi-screen function, you have to press the icon. Okay, the roof monitor will keep for the video file or YouTube. Okay, the main screen you can change to the GPS. Okay, so this is option 1. You have to use the HDMI output, HDMI to your external monitor. Okay, if your car model don't have the HDMI input for your external, you have to add on for this converter, HDMI to AV converter. You have to use this. Okay, let me show you. Okay, now change. Same again, is the HDMI video output. Okay, to the HDMI converter, HDMI input to this converter, and output for RCA. Okay, connect to the external roof monitor, for input, RCA aux. Okay, so let me show you a video play, multi-screen function. So now is the RCA output, HDMI output from car player to the converter, convert to the RCA output to roof monitor RCA input. Same again, the roof monitor for the video file or YouTube. Then the main screen, the main head unit, you can use for the GPS. If you want to use the multi-screen function, please do not use the USB converter to RCA output. You have to use the HDMI to RCA converter. The multi-screen function only support for the video output built-in HDMI video out. The built-in HDMI video output. Use this converter, convert to the RCA for your external roof monitor. So this is a Convex multi-screen function for Seri Q1000 and Seri Q900. Thank you. Convex.